Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to start off with a statement. One, I honestly didn't think I would have to say. I thought it would be kind of common sense, but apparently it's not. Do not fish from the balcony of your cruise ship. That's right. You are not allowed to fish from your cruise ship balcony. And while I'm not suggesting that you do it or that you try to hide it, definitely don't fish from the balcony of your cruise ship, record it, and then post it on social media. Because that's exactly what this one couple did, and they have learned that there are consequences for your actions. So a few days ago, a story came out about a video on TikTok that showed a couple that was fishing from their balcony. Now, it was believed to be on a Carnival cruise ship because you could see a blue sign and sail card in the video indicating they were first-time cruisers, and you could see them fishing from the balcony. Now, they were not using a fishing rod. They just had fishing string, a hook, weight, bobbers, that kind of stuff, and they were fishing from their balcony. They caught a fish and then pulled the fish on board the cruise ship. You could tell it was in Nassau, Bahamas by the background in the video, but you couldn't tell, and it didn't say exactly what Carnival cruise ship this was. Now, this video ended up going viral on TikTok, got spread around, so of course it brings up the subject of fishing on the cruise ship, but not only did it do that, it also brought it to the attention very quickly of Carnival Cruise Lines. Because using the processes that Carnival uses, they were able to go back, figure out exactly who it was, when they did it, and they have now banned that couple from cruising for life. So yep, a less than 60-second video on TikTok has now got them banned. Of course, the fishing from the balcony is what actually got them banned. And what's kind of funny even about that is it doesn't actually say anywhere in the cruise contract for Carnival that you cannot fish from the balcony. At least it doesn't today. It probably will after this incident. But what it does say is you cannot bring any type of live animals on board the cruise ship, and this fish in the video was clearly still alive. So I'm sure Carnival used safety, live animals on board, and I'm sure they'll change the wording on the Carnival's webpage to reflect that you are not allowed to fish from your balcony just so it is cut and dry, because this is just not something you hear about very often. You hear about all kinds of stuff on cruise ships, but fishing from the balcony and then putting it on social media, yeah, not real smart, because like I said, they can cruise with Carnival never again. All right, and that is going to be our video today. Just a quick tip, just to kind of let you know, if you're considering it, if you're thinking about it, hey, don't fish from your balcony, and definitely don't post it on social media. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.